Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2006 GMC Sierra 2500. It is the LBZ diesel engine. As you can see, it is an SLE. What we'll do is we'll do the outside condition. We'll go to the inside condition and features. We'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition and whatever features there may be. As you can see, it does have the tow pack. It's the bed. Brand new tires and rubber all the way around. And I'll get down on one of those here in just a moment. Has the tow mirrors. The tire size in here for you. Hopefully that helps. Again, brand new rubber all the way around. Get both angles for you as well so you can see without a doubt there are no major dents, dings, no huge scratches. It's a good looking GMC LBZ. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks, power seat. Let's get the condition of the cloth here. Passenger seat. And it does have the third seat in the front row, so if you need to seat 6, you can. Let's get to the back here. Some features up front. 4-wheel drive, cargo light. Steering wheel controls. Stock stereo. Sorry about that, let's get that down in here the best I can here. Audio input, so it does have the aux. The factory tow assist, and then up here in the rearview mirror you have compass, temperature, those kind of things. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time, I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here for folks. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. Just want to get it in here the best I can. Now, mind you, all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, inspect for oil leaks, all of those things. So please keep that in mind. I encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau and our Google reviews, I should say. We hold an A+ with Better Business Bureau, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. There's the mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Stereo works well. No, it wasn't tuned into a station. Alright, let's get back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Turn along beautifully. Turn along beautifully. Well, hopefully that helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever the case may be, I'll provide you with any information on what we've done to the vehicle when we brought it in. Happy to get it to you. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration. Hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.